Hello students, this is your English class. We are doing chapter 11 articles in English grammar, and we have learnt that there are two kinds of articles. The first one is definite articles, second one is indefinite articles. The is definite article and a and an are indefinite articles. We use the with historical monuments, buildings, before holy books or things, before newspaper or plural names of country or particular person or unique things. Okay, and we use indefinite articles a and an. A we use before consonant and we use before vowel sounds. Okay, so in that row we have to solve the exercise of this chapter. In exercise A, what we have to do, we have to underline the articles in the following paragraph. So we will have to find out the articles and underline them. तो articles ढूंढना है और उन्हें underline करना है. So let's begin with it. The first sentence is once upon a time Bagheera. Can you locate the article? Yes, it is here. A time Bagheera, the panther, was returning from his cave. He saw a child lying in a boat. Bagheera left the child near a wolf family. They named the child Mowgli. Mowgli liked to eat apples, dates, and bananas. He used to eat vegetable also. He lived in the forest. He enjoyed with an elephant and a bear. He was afraid of the dangerous tiger Sher Khan. All the animals liked Mowgli very much. So we have found all the articles used in the paragraph. So we have done with exercise A. Now let's go to the another page. See what we have to do in exercise B. We have to underline the words before which you use an. तो एन का यूज़ हम वॉवल साउंड से पहले करते हैं. वी यूज़ एन बिफोर वॉवल साउंड्स. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट वॉवल साउंड्स. सो लेट्स find out the vowel sounds words. Letter, it's starting with L, which is a consonant, not a vowel sound. Ox, yes, it is starting with a vowel sound, ox. So underline ox. In, it's starting with a vowel sound, in. So we should use an article before this word, not before utensils, because it is starting with y sound, which is a consonant. Then envelope, then oak, igloo, iron, hour. Why hour? Because here H is silent. Okay, H silent for है. ह से इसको नहीं पढ़ते हैं. इसको कैसे पढ़ते हैं? आवर. अ मीन्स आपका अ साउंड है, विच इज़ ए वॉवल साउंड. ओके, आवर. दैट्स वाई वी यूज़ एन बिफोर आवर, नॉट ए. ओके, एन ऑस्ट्रिच, एन अर्न. It is also having the vowel sound earn. That's why an is used before earn. What is an earn? An earn is a vase or vessel. Okay, an oxen, not before uniform, because I have explained it to you that it is starting with y sound, which is not a vowel sound. Uniform, not uniform, uniform. That's why. Okay, an apple. So we have done with exercise B also. Now let's do to solve exercise C. We have to fill in the blanks using articles. So we have to use suitable articles. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Taj Mahal is a monument, historical monument, a building. So we should write the. Okay, boy comes here every day, which means here we are talking about a particular boy. So we should write the definite article. Okay. Monu is dash good boy. Here we are describing Monu is a good boy. So we should write a article. I used an umbrella because it is starting with a vowel sound. Okay. A book is in her bag. Paris is the capital. The capital of France. An elephant, because it is starting with vowel sound. An elephant is a big animal. Okay. This is the passenger train. We are talking about a particular train, so we should write the article here, definite article. Then again, the Nile, before any river or ocean name we use the. Okay, the article, definite article. The Nile is the. Again the, because here we have superlative degree largest, and we should use the article before any superlative degree adjective. Okay. There is a lion, an owl and a bear in the jungle. So in the last sentence we have all the two articles as like a and a. These are indefinite articles. The is definite articles. So we have done with the whole chapter number 11, articles. Okay, I hope you have got everything. So I'll see you next class. Thank you.